In this video, we will learn 8 shortcut keys for formatting data in Excel. So let's start. The first one, Ctrl+B to bold. So I select here the name and I press here Ctrl+B to bold text. Okay. And the second shortcut key is Ctrl+I for italic. So I select here the one product name and I press here Ctrl+I to italic formatting. Okay. And the third one, Ctrl+U to underline. So I select here the one cell product name and I press here Ctrl+U to underline. Next, Ctrl+1 to open the format cell dialog box. So I press here the Ctrl+1 and here the format cells dialog box is open. So you can use here the different option to formatting data. So I just close it. And so next shortcut key, Ctrl+Shift+$ to apply the currency format. So I select here the amount column and I press here Ctrl+Shift+$sign. So I select and press Ctrl+Shift+$sign and you can see the apply the currency here. And next shortcut key, Ctrl+Shift+%. Okay. So here I select the price column and I press here Ctrl+Shift+% sign and you can see the all amount is converted in percentage format. Okay. And the next shortcut key, apply date format. So Ctrl+Shift+#. So I select here the date and here I press Ctrl+Shift+#. Okay, you can see the changes on the date format. Okay, next shortcut key, Ctrl+Shift+@. So apply the time format. So here, so I just simply press the unit column and I press the Ctrl+Shift+@, and you can see the time format is showing here. Okay, so if you want to add the time column, you can use this time format by using these shortcut keys. Okay, see, this is a 8 formatting data shortcut keys in Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.